Yarrow, nature's healing herb. Hey there, plant lovers! Ever stumbled upon a feathery-leaved beauty in your garden or while hiking? It might just be yarrow, a powerhouse of flavor and healing. Let's dive into its secrets. Yarrow, Achillea millefolium, is easily recognizable by its finely divided, fern-like leaves and clusters of small white, sometimes yellow or pink flowers. It has a distinctive, slightly sweet aroma when crushed. Look for it in sunny meadows and along roadsides. Yarrow thrives in well-drained soil and loves sunshine. It's a perennial, meaning it comes back year after year. Be mindful of lookalikes, but once you know yarrow, you'll never forget it. Did you know yarrow is edible? Its leaves add a slightly bitter, aromatic flavor to salads and soups. Use it sparingly because its taste is quite potent. Infuse yarrow flowers in oil or vinegar for a unique herbal twist. It pairs well with savory dishes and can even be used to flavor cheeses. Experiment and discover your favorite yarrow culinary creation. Yarrow has been used medicinally for centuries. It's known for its ability to stop bleeding, making it a fantastic addition to your first aid kit. Crush the leaves and apply them directly to minor cuts and scrapes. Yarrow tea can help reduce inflammation and soothe digestive issues. It's also traditionally used to support wound healing and boost the immune system. Always consult with a healthcare professional before using herbs for medicinal purposes. Now that you know the wonders of yarrow, it's time to get hands-on. Like this video if you learned something new, subscribe for more herbal adventures, and tell us in the comments how you plan to use yarrow. Happy harvesting!